Will you learn something about the Royal Air Force in 60 seconds? Let's find out. The Battle of Britain Memorial Flight is celebrating the 80th anniversary of the de Havilland Chipmunk. It holds a special place in RAF history as the primary aircraft used to train pilots for 50 years before eventually retiring in 1996. A young King Charles III flew the Chipmunk during his pilot training. BBMF maintains 11 historical aircraft which inspire crowds at air shows throughout the summer. We keep them flying to honour the thousands of people that gave their lives in the noble pursuit of freedom. As of April 2026, over 50 Ukrainian pilots have graduated from intensive elementary flying training under the tuition of RAF instructors as part of Op Interstorm. The UK has been preparing them for advanced fast jet training with partner nations, helping to build Ukraine's air capabilities over 4 years since Russia's illegal full-scale invasion of Ukraine. That's all for now. See you next time.